Hey everybody, that's right. It's not going to be long before we start seeing Legoville from a whole new angle. See you after the show. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Nick Davis, part of Legoville channel, which we now have a Legoville channel if you're not actually found it yet. And I'm very happy to report Legoville is finally growing. Yeah, I know, it's been a long time, and to be fair, this has been the view of Legoville. It's been complete for quite a lot of that long time. But now I've moved on from the Eastern Quarter with Ninjago Gardens, Ninjago City Gardens in place, and the whole fiasco of the tunnel, which we'll discuss in a second. I've been managed to find the rest of my tables, and Legoville has expanded somewhat, so we are part of the town now in place, which only leaves those completed buildings there, the backlog, and of course tubs of accessories, minifigs and vehicles to put on there, and not counting my shelf of stuff. So we're getting there. Progress has been made. It's been a bit of a hold up, but that can't be helped. Time is getting kind of tight for me at this moment in time, and I kind of got hung up building Ninjago City Gardens, which took me a couple of weeks, and we tried a whole experiment over there. We see the Monkey Kid legend of the Mortal Flower Mountain thingy. That originally was where we were going to put the mounting top made out of the pink shaping foam, but that went horribly wrong. But let me tell you how that went wrong. You can see we basically started building the tunnel out of pink insulation foam, which is very handy for carving. I highly accurately drew the shape in there and then carved it out based on the Lego cliff face you saw there, giving it a nice groove feature, and that is what we ended up with before I started painting. The problem is the painting. Yep, that's right. I melted the damn thing. So yeah, lots of work, a lot of paint, and I basically got melted by paint. Oh well, these things happen. But it spurred me on to go, I've got to move past this. I've got to get some more stuff down here. It's Lego. We can get things moving in the right direction. Let's get some more of my city up here, which we've done, obviously, which we'll talk about in a second. And won't be long now before I get more life in my city by emptying my boxes. That means I can get some more minifigs in here, I can get some vehicles in here, and it'll start coming more and more alive, and it'll start looking a little bit less incomplete, and we won't have little places like this not set up properly, or my game not done properly. It's just been a long process to get to this point, and we're still not quite there. We've been doing this since January? Late January? But we're getting there. But let me just talk about what's going on in the city now, so you got some ideas what's going on. Now we have the marina in place here. We've got another building to put here, and this is going to be the slightly more shrunk memorial / monument park that was in the old Legoville. Want to do something with it, make it more open, more of an open common area. So that's going to go in this area here. This building here may or may not be staying here there at this moment in time. And this space here is going to be another table, so the city can come more this way. I can get the main components of the city in place. Things I've got into place right now: diner, Birch Box, Parisian. That big gap there is likely where the police station is going to be going. Haven't quite decided, but I'll get it built first before I make a final decision. That, of course, is my hospital mod. No, it's a mock, my own creation, made up into a modular next to the fire station. It seems to fit there quite nicely, so I'm very happy about that. And if we move around here, obviously you see the Core City Garage, my mod of the townhomes and pet shop into one big city block using the store, and of course there's an ice cream cone riding a Segway. This is not going to be the final layout you see here either. Sanctum Sanctorum is definitely going to be moving. Harley's is likely going to stay there. You may notice this Harley has changed shape again. We've gone from the square straight on to a more traditional modular side. So we started Harley's comic shop way back. It's now is a long front on, but now we've added a third floor where basically we've got some more amusements, and then we added some records of courtesy of the video stuff. So I thought the vehicles look very, very good there. Nice little exclusive vehicle shop, and of course, like all comic book stores, it should have a cafe, which it has. So there we go. That's the final product. Harley's new store in modular style. And if you look at Harley's now, we have a third floor, which basically is the record shop, which means we've got more stuff going on in there, and it fits into the city much better. I feel that's a much better fit. And right next to the Emporium. The pet shop's going to go where the Sanctum Sanctorum is, and that should fill out that block a bit more. Then we've got the next table in here. Itty bitty bits of modulars I have on the table over there. We'll fill out the rest of the spacing and it'll make it look okay. So I'm very happy where we are at the moment. This means it's not going to be long before we start setting the minifigs and vehicles into here proper. And I think we're going to have a good looking little piece of city going on in here. Quick look at the Eastern Quarter. That's my temple mod with the wall back there. I am going to return and put the mountain in there proper, just with the disaster with the pink and the paint. I'm trying to refigure out what I could do there. Maybe it would turn into a full Lego build. Maybe it will turn into something that's a lot different. I'm not certain. Maybe it'll be a hybrid of the two. Haven't quite decided, but I still want to go high. Space is a premium still, so I want to go as high and as practically as possible so I can get some more stuff built on top of there. So we have a nice vertical height going on here. The city looks much better for vertical height things going on. Here's the back end in Ninjago City Gardens. Filled it out with some bamboo and a couple of trees, and a slightly bigger lake, so this looks like it all fits together. Footbridge / bridge here is working, looks really nice addition. And of course, beach is now been cleaned up. It's been a bit of a mess. As you know, you've been following my videos, I have a lot of bricks strewn all over the place. I'm now tidying up more as I go, so we've got more of a thing going on. So basically it looks like it's getting completed. I am so glad to get to this stage, I really am. I've got to get some more tables in. I've got space, I think, for 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 more tables in this direction, and that would pretty much be the limits of my layout. One coming out here, maybe another one next to it coming out here. I don't know how much space I'm going to have in this area here. Be nice to empty these totes as well. I'm really get this city set up. It's been a long road to get back to this point. I'm Dr. McBrick, as I mentioned very quickly. He's currently took his layout down, and is setting up for a his new home. I got a feeling he's going to be just as slow as me getting things back up to speed. But you know, these things happen on life, that kind of stuff. But there we go. That is a Legoville update for you. Things are happening at last. Yay! I am so glad to be in this space. I really am. Also, the train's going to get its full training there, which will be a good bonus as well. And it's going to be good to get things looking right, and that's how they should do. We'll take a quick look over here for 1 second. Still have to fill out the fill out the square here a bit more. More stuff on the roads. I like the way Santini's has grown up now. That's pretty cool. And I still here got a train station to build. Lots of things to do. But now I've got the stuff into place, I'm feeling happier and less stuck in one place. Track is definitely where the train is. Track is definitely more integrated now. And it will end in a big round thing here, just like we branch line, just like we do out back there. And I think we're good to go. So I'm going to change my angle a little bit so you can see a bit more views of the city. It's looking pretty bare at the moment. Any minifigures are actually on the streets, the ones that stayed with the sets, inside the totes and the bags and the wraps. But as you can see, I've got a huge main street now. That is absolutely insanely long, and I am really looking forward to getting the city back into place. Oh, and there's the track. Yep. I've never had layout this long to get this all into place. But I really like here, and I'll quickly show it to you. So you look down the main street, and there's the temple, and it's nicely framed in there. And Ninjago City Gardens really does set it off quite nicely as well. It's a shame I can't afford the city or the docks, but you know, Lego's commodity, and people pay money for it. So here we go. And again, thank you all for watching, for your support you've shown my channel and my playlists as you go on this Lego journey with me. It's been a lot of fun to get to this point. It's been a lot of fun sharing it with you guys, and I hope you all hang with me as we get it all done. So this is Nick Davis on behalf of Legoville saying take care, be safe, and get your vaccination, and we'll talk again soon, my friends. Bye bye.